Oh yeah, thank you, bartender. Fill that glass up.
Slide it to the right, to the guy with the hardly open, kinda swollen red devil eyes. Slow motion like when you rubbing lotion on her thighs. Take your time and savor increments. She's sipping absinthe through a piece of German chocolate licorice. Her nipples ticklish, reactions are ridiculous. You laughing but you into this. Get you how we eating Captain Crunch and getting intimate. Go to sleep, what's for lunch? You and your ginger friend. I watch how to be a player, learn how to be a gentleman. You got it backwards like it's Simpsons. Dennis Ashford, live fast, crash faster, so rhetorical. No answer for that horrible bastard. Vandalizing portable animatronic caskets of traffic. Safety hazard. Bullets made of lead. Safety made of plastic. Couple in his head. He dead. Damn, that was tragic. She shot him lying in the bed. His money in the mattress.
This is practice. And every old face that she has to get added to the average. I'm batting that. Pinch a volley shag. Jackhammer and a dab of wax from the bees. I'm the bee's knees. As a matter of fact, as I rat-a-tatter, pitter-patter through your habitat, causing chitter-chatter. I'm just that cool. Freezing, steezing, chief and a fool on the beat. Then I eat till complete and I'm full. I got steamed broccoli with the taters. Country fried steak, poached eggs and Welch's grapes. I got drops of cognac on my gators.
On your gators?
Screaming it's all good from Diego to the Bay. I just bought a new jacket. Yeah, I got it from Stony. I don't even watch hockey. I'm just supporting the homie. That's that New York Ranger danger. Yo, get Bruce on the phony.
And when I answer the phone, I'm in the streets, I ain't home. Monster Rally on the beats, and yes, me, I'm Jay Stone. Your mom's favorite day for dinner, want the meat and the bone. I'm like, hold on, miss, you want the fish and the marrow? I'm in the IROC 87 Chevrolet Camaro, eating cannabis souffle, sipping on an IPA. I'm the pharaoh of the bay, from my grandma chain to the 14K draped on my bicuspid. Cold chilling by the lake, away from niggas on that such shit. I'm the stigma of a stoner, smokers Hall of Fame inducted. Try to get inside my head, my brain's encrypted and corrupted. All these psychoplasmic changes leave you nauseous and disgusted, like drinking raw eggs with some mustard, tapioca and some custard. I'm a soldier with no musket, trying to fuck shit up. Plastic explosives, a couple nugs and some Reese's cups. I'm speeding, going fast as fuck. She said that ain't fast enough. I hit the gas, I'm about to buzz. Grab that ass, that fluffy stuff. She giving me that sweet, that nasty, that gushy stuff. Teddy on repeat. Close the door and turn the music up and pour a little more Courvoisier in my cup. It's been a long, exhausting day. I need some vegan donut.
The day is over, folks. The day is over.
Things are far more serious than I suspect you've been told. People are dying up here.
And that isn't the end. Well, how did all this happen?
We have been completely cut off from Earth. Any chance of restoring contact?
Very little, sir. We've lost all direct communication.
I gave him 2 16s and a lucid dream, with the muses playing theme music on a super string. Watch me do my thing when the hypothermic stings. I can intervene by turning Mr. Hyde to Mr. Clean. From lean, mean, dope, sick fiend to pristine. Stick to piffin' nicotine, quit menacing the scene. Get medicine from clinics, say your penance when it's finished. Then it's Venice in the vintage rented tinted limousine. Big things, big screens with big brothers, ugly mugs, selling us a pyramid scheme like a fucking drug. Love died with the troubadours, now it's all ego driven, with fetal position with the needle dripping. A foul ecosystem, keep on living, be persistent in the prison where heaven and hell are equidistant. Give them 2 sets, Marie Antoinette next. Stakes as high as in the cassette deck, take it back. Everything's sunny, everything's lovely. Put me on the pedestal, hold no one above me. Everything's pleasant and good, eating breadcrumbs like the little peasant that could. Fuel for the furnace combust, learn to adjust. You view the world on the surface with a certain disgust. Everything's sunny, everything's lovely. Put me on a pedestal, hold no one above me. Catch a stone cast at your dome by your self-righteous sinner that'll send Gestapo to tap your phone. I got the blues, got a lot to lose. Got the news so-and-so passed. Check the database for slideshows and photographs. You grow detached from your chosen path, lose control and crash on the overpass. Motionless, focused inward, with loved ones howling like 1,000 Ginsbergs with pinched nerves. Robert Johnson gave me his guitar pick. I could play super strings and rap about my hardships. You collide through your teeth and spoon feed them arsenic. Who could stoop the lowest? Who could fall the farthest? It began where we took an apple off a tree limb. Sweet sin, sustenance to sink teeth in. Took a risk and got 86 for high treason. The pivotal moment, simple components divide reason. Everything's sunny, everything's lovely. Put me on the pedestal, hold no one above me. Everything's pleasant and good, eating breadcrumbs like the little peasant that could.
Starvation, humiliation, despair, frustration, every goddamn thing.
For all your ills, I give you laughter.
Hey yo, y'all can't stand right here. In his right hand was your man's worst nightmare. Loud enough to burst his right eardrum close range. The game is not only dangerous, but it's most strange. I sell rhymes like dimes, the one who mostly keep cash but brag about the broker times. Joker rhymes like the is you just happy to see me trick. Classical slapstick, rappers need chapstick. A lot of them sound like they in a talent show, so I give them something to remember like the Alamo. Tally ho, a hot joker like Space Game. Came back from 5 years lane and stayed the same same. Electromagnetic field, it blocks all logic, Spock and G-Shock's a biological clock. When I hit it, slid it to the shit, I thought I killed a goose. Her power use was pure brittle water, filter juice. Keep a pen like a fiend, keep a pipe with him. Gentleman who lent a pen to a friend who write with him. Never seen this shit again, but he's still my dunny. The only thing that come between us is krill and money. I sell rhymes like dimes, the one who mostly keep cash who brag about the broker times. Better rhymes make for better songs, and bad as not if you got a lot of what it takes just to get along. Surrender now, so for serious setbacks. Got get back, connects, wet back, get stacks. Even if you got to get jet black, head to toe to get the dough. Battle for bottles of Mo or Dro. This fly flow take practice like Tybo with Billy Blanks. Oh, you're too kind, really thanks. To the corner lost forever like, oh my darling Clementine. He hold his heart when he tellin' rhyme. When it's his time, I hope his soul go to heaven. He nasty like the old time, old number 7. You still taste it when you chase it with the Coca-Cola. Make them wish they could erase it out the Motorola. I told her, no credit for a bag. If you want what they got, then go get it, it's all gag. Only in America could you find a way to earn a healthy buck and still keep your attitude on self-destruct. I sell rhymes like dimes, the one who mostly keep cash but tell about the broke times. Joker rhymes like the is you just happy to see me trick. Classical slapstick, rappers need chapstick. A lot of them sound like they ain't a talent show, so I give them something to remember like the Alamo. Tally ho, high joker like Space Game. Came back from 5 years lane, stayed the same. Electromagnetic field will block all logic, Spock and G-Shock a biological clock. When I hit it, slid it to the shit, I thought I killed a goose. Her power use was pure brittle water, filter juice. Keep a pen like a fiend, keep a pipe with him. Gentleman who lent a pen to a friend who write with him. Never seen this shit again, but he's still my dunny. Only thing that come between us is krill and money. We sell rhymes like dimes, the one who mostly keep cash but tell about the broke times.
In your arms tonight, she reflects that she owes you the sweetest dance. She wants to pay. Check it out, y'all. You don't stop. Keep on to the show. Yes, y'all. Don't stop. Keep on to the break of dawn. Say what? Yeah. You thought the song was over. You thought the song was over. Reject you.
One by one, the angels fell.
God had sent a horrible plague of deaths.
Why do you think that God would do a thing like that?
Back chasing dreams, here we go again. Run them down with bloodhounds and Dobermans. I'm at the mercy of the blowing wind. It's all open-ended like everything in life till your soul ascends. From Mad Mardigan to sad Harlequin to black-hearted kin, flashbacks, Bardic-hymns, cardinal sins, hypodermics in the garbage bin. Mark men follow when the saints go marching in. Dreams crack then fade into memory. My pop said that we share the same brain chemistry. That's where I got my appetite for self-destruction. I need balance, I need help adjusting. But one day I'll awake in a state of grace. Quit making the same mistake of abating the pains and aches. Maintain a creative space, get loose with the paper made. I've been waiting for day to break, the future is taking shape.
Remember that language is power.
I'll remember that.
Lonely Steppenwolf offer no apologies until their brains snap open.
God said
we'd be in trouble if we ate that fruit.
Nameless
soldier trying to get over.
No peace.
Show teeth, hold a grudge. Find another soul to judge. No peace, only blood.
Nameless soldier.
Exile, driven out. Sinner drifting on the cloud. Wild child in the crowd.
No peace.
No peace, only blood. Don't sleep, show me love. I chase dragons, now I'm chasing a dream. They're both mythic. One's a ball and chain, the other's the soul's image. Restrained, manacle child, so afraid. Like somebody's trying to tear the wings out of my shoulder blades. The whole wide world's obsessed with the Faust legend. You gotta go through hell to get to heaven. Me, I know the beast well. He's hiding in the flowers and the details. Enjoys long walks on the beach and collecting seashells. Reporting live from the belly of the beach whale. East of Eden, where the fallen angels and the meek dwell. Where love's the color of blood and pure devotion. It cascades, pulls on the ground, and forms an ocean. Deck of the bard, the pen man, deadpan, solitary dreamer. Watch the vision expand. There's no time for dogma and genuflection. The future is taking shape. Lessons in free expression.
Remember that language is power.
I'll remember that.
Where do we come from? Who are we? And where are we going? Eternal questions never answered.
God said
we'd be in trouble if we ate that fruit.
Nameless
soldier trying to get over.
No peace.
Show teeth, hold a grudge. Find another soul to judge. No peace, only blood.
Nameless soldier.
Exile, driven out. Sinner drifting on the cloud. Wild child in the crowd.
No peace.
No peace, only blood. Don't sleep, show me love.
Only blood.
届かないんだ